Good morning, students. Today is our science class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 4. Plants grow from seeds. This lesson is from your Science Ahead textbook. Plants grow from seeds. In our previous class, we have learnt about fruits. Fruits with one seed and fruits with many seeds. Lychees, apricot, cherry, peach, plum are examples of fruits with one seed. These fruits have one seed. Fruits like papaya, pomegranate, custard apple, orange, strawberry have many seeds. These are fruits with many seeds. And we have also learned that we eat seeds of some fruits and we do not eat seeds of some fruits. For example, we eat seeds of pomegranate fruit and we don't eat the seeds of custard apple fruit. Today we are going to learn about seed. Seed. What is a seed? It is a part of a plant which is found inside the fruit. New plants grow from seeds. Seed is a part of plant which is found inside the fruit. New plant grow from seeds. All fruits have seeds inside them, isn't it? Over here we see a seed of a mango fruit. Over here we see a seed of a mango fruit. We usually throw away the seed after we eat the fruit, isn't it? But you will be surprised to know this seed gives a mango plant. This seed gives us a mango plant. Then plant grows and gives us a mango fruit. From seed we got so many mangoes, isn't it? From seed we got so many mangoes. So seeds have a baby plant inside them. Seeds have a baby plant inside them. Now let us see this video and learn how seeds grow into a plant. Can you see a seed? A small tiny root grows downwards. Now the seed coat falls off. The upper layer falls off. Now a small stem comes out from the seed. Now you can see a baby plant coming out of the seed. This is how the seed grow into a baby plant. After some time, the plant bears flowers. Can you see here? Plant start bearing flowers. Then flower produces fruits. And the fruits have seed inside them. Okay. After some times, the plant bears flowers. The flower produces fruits, and the fruits have seed inside them. Now children, I want to ask you a question. Now you all are growing up, isn't it? Last year you were in senior KG, now you have grown up, now you are in first standard. Okay, then next year you will be in second standard. So you are growing up. So you need some essential components or essential things to grow up. So what are the essential things we need to grow up? Food, water, shelter, air. These are the important things to grow, isn't it? Likewise, same plant also needs or seeds also needs some essential components to grow. Let us see. When a seed gets enough water, sunlight, soil and air, the baby plant grow into a new plant. Okay, so what does the seed needs to grow into a baby plant? It needs sunlight. It needs sunlight. Water, that is in the form of rain. Air. Then soil. Soil is a very important component here. Soil is very important component. So, in this lesson, we have learnt fruits with one seed, fruit with many seeds. We eat seeds of plant like wheat, maize, rajma, rice. Plants grow from seeds. A seed needs enough water, air, sunlight and soil to grow into new plant. What does seed needs to grow into a new plant? It needs water, air, sunlight and soil to grow into new plant. So we have finished the lesson plants grow from seeds. And you know children, this process, the seeds which grows into a baby plant, this process is also called as germination. This word is not mentioned in your textbook. Okay, don't worry. This is a extra information I am giving to you. This process is called as germination of seed. Okay. These are the new words in this lesson. You have to copy these new words in your science notebook. Pomegranate, musk melon, papaya, cherry, sunlight, soil, peach, grow, lychee, watermelon. So these are the new words which you have to copy it in your science notebook. Okay, and you have to learn these words. And I'll be sending you the worksheet of fill in the blanks and questions and answers. Okay, write in a good handwriting. Write fill in the blanks and question answers in your science notebook. Okay children, take care. Bye bye.